Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is BTS V and Kim Yu-jung Fortune Harmony Analysis. Many overseas YouTube subscribers have requested for the fortune harmony between Taehyung and Kim Yu-jung. They have a strong fortune structure, they are very sensitive and have their own unique thinking system. This analysis is a combination of fortune, so I hope you don't misunderstand anything else. What about their fortune harmony? Let's analyze it together. Taehyung is a beautiful flower in his fortune. It is a highly competitive and strong-willed leader. Kim Yu-jung is a candor in her fortune. She is a thoughtful and warm-hearted person. Right below the letter that refers to themselves is the perception of a spouse. Taehyung wants to take the lead. Kim Yu-jung wants to love him more. Therefore, it can be seen as a good meeting. Taehyung is close to the letter that means woman in his fortune. Kim Yu-jung also has a letter that means spouse located close to him in her fortune. This is what they have in common. It means that spouses and they have a close relationship. Taehyung's fortune is the same as the letters for women and health in his fortune. But she is very strong in his position. It means that he meets a smart woman and he has a lot of wealth. In addition, this energy is controlling the input energy. Input energy plays a good role in academic acquisition and information acquisition, and it is a good energy that makes him feel loved by his superiors and mothers. Taehyung will probably live his whole life with a great attitude of staying close to books and studying new information every day. Kim Yu-jung is doing well in her artistic activities to accumulate wealth, which is the result of her activities. However, it's good if he is the same actor because she is in conflict with the letters that mean man. But if Taehyung is not an actor, because it's always bad to spend all the time together. Therefore, it can be seen as a good meeting since they are in a busy situation. The picture above shows their thinking system. Taehyung is a structure with very rapid thinking and genius. Therefore, there is a lack of psychological stability. But intelligence is very high. Kim Yu-jung's main thinking system is very stable, like the picture. But she has become a bit sensitive because she has many conflicts with her fortune. Therefore, they have something in common that they are both complementary and sensitive. I will give 83% for their fortune combination. I hope them continue to improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.